just spent like 20 minutes just walking up and down Congress with a gazillion people. And honestly, it's been tough actually getting people to ask them, what is lead generation or what is a lead? Just asking them a question, it's hard. Because like physical connection is a lot harder, right? But in lead generation, digital, that's where you really persevere. So let's see if we find one last person to get this lead generation video up and running for you guys. It's all for you.
When it comes to, let's say, maybe a lead, like if somebody gave you a lead,
okay,
and you're a business owner, do you know what that means?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
So what do you consider a lead? Like, what's your definition of a lead?
A contact I can follow up with that might lead to work or an arrangement.
What's a low quality lead?
A random person on the street.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I personally, I'm shocked. I'm shocked at myself for being nervous of actually going up to somebody and asking them a question that I ask dozens and hundreds of people each and every day. I never knew it was so hard in the physical. But you know what? It definitely, I broke out of my comfort zone, and I'm excited to continue to do this more and more just because I see the potential. It's incredible, that human-to-human connection. It's inevitable.
Cool. Something that was really reaffirming is like a lot of the questions that we asked somebody of like, what's a lead? Their first initial thing was like, I don't know what that is. Like they didn't know. But when we asked this another way, that was literally asking the same question but in different words, a lot of people switch their no to an actual yes. So even with what we actually teach on and what we do online through Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, the first person that's like, no, I'm not interested, that's not a no. They just may need to hear it a different way with different language that may appeal to them. And then they're like, yeah. Didn't mean just because that person said no that they weren't a fit with what we were doing. We just had to ask another type of question. And she was like, yeah, of course I do. Right? So she was very helpful, but we had to ask in another way. So just reaffirming that of like not taking the no, the first no, because there's many reasons why that person may have said a no. They could say a no of like, I'm skeptical. No, maybe it didn't make sense to them the way that it was approached. It wasn't in alignment. But when you switch it up in different words and different language, it could be the same thing, but then they're like, heck yes, I'm interested. Right? So that was just a reconfirmation, and it was awesome. Go ahead and make it happen. Do that maybe with like 5 people. Wherever in your neighborhood, in your mall, wherever, go to a place where there's people. And just start the conversation and talk about your business. Ask that question just to get insight, because we got a lot of different insight as well, just being out here and speaking to people and asking questions.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with